Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a little update on the channel and what's been going on. Well, I got a new project car. My old daily driver got totaled, and we're actually on our way to go pick up some sweatshirts that got made. So let's go do that. So back in December, I was involved in a rear end and ended up totaling out the Corolla. And that kind of sucked. It put me out of work for a month, and I haven't been able to do much. Now, I picked up this new project car, and it needs a lot of love, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So I partnered up with Garage Amino, and I posted a poll to see what the project name should be. And because of the support of the community, the numbers were overwhelming. So if you haven't checked them out already, go ahead and check them out. They're quite the amazing car enthusiast app. So because of the app, we decided that we're going to call this the Project Cherry Bomb. So before we reveal it, let's go ahead and get it washed.
Let's go! Let's go!